So after we're done with this, we're gonna go to the envelope and start in events, and then we're gonna receive box. We're gonna change that to a new message, and then put the envelope right here. Put the new message as an envelope. Then go to looks, show, it's gonna be all the way at the bottom. Then sends in and ask. So what's this gonna do? It's gonna have the riddle, which is I'm very tall and proud with branches that stretch wide. What am I? To make the answer, I'm gonna go to the if box, control, then go to the operators, the green one, and choose the equal and put it right in the if. Then go back to sensing the answer, which is the one that we're gonna type, and put here the answer is gonna be 3. To make a response, so gonna go back to looks, get the say box, and right here we're gonna type which one. So correct. A you gain 3 seats and make that 3 seconds. So go back to events and broadcast. But this one is a new message. I'm gonna type right here 3, which is the answer. Looks and switch backdrop to forest. So what is this gonna do is after we set the correct answer, it's gonna switch after we save the forest. So after we did the code for the envelope, we're gonna go back to the seal and the, put the box when I receive. Just this one there, I'm gonna drop it down with the 3, which is the answer from before. Then we're gonna go to looks and the save box. So right here is gonna be his answer to the envelope, which is wonderful. We have restored the forest to its natural look. Let's go to the next one. This is where he's gonna say after he got the 3 seeds from the envelope. So since it's a little bit long, we just wanna make this 5 or 6 seconds. We're gonna do 6 and switch backdrop to the Arctic and broadcast. It's gonna be an event and have the Arctic new message. Put it right there to have this. For the envelope to not show when we change to the Arctic, we wanna go back to the envelope, go to the when I receive box. Where here's the Arctic. I'm gonna change that to Arctic and go to looks and hide. This is gonna hide him so we don't see him in the right. After we're done with the envelope seal, we're gonna go back to the penguin, go to the events, when flag clicked, then motion, then set rotation. Rotation is so left to right. We're gonna have him hide. Because we don't want him with the screen just yet. And go to X. This once again is gonna be his position. It's gonna be right around here. That's what we want. Then point direction. And we're gonna put this on -90. So this is gonna pull him. It's gonna make him walk towards us. Which is okay. I'm gonna go to again the one I received. Is gonna be the article, and that's when we wanna have him show. With looks, events. Oh, I'm gonna go to control and repeat. Put that under and gonna happen about 15 seconds. Go to looks. So next custom motion, move 10 steps, and control in the weight box. You want to put this one to 0.1. Now we want to add the as block. For that, you want to go to sensing, get the as right under, and here's gonna be the riddle that the penguin is gonna say, which is flightless bird in black and white. Seems like a fish, a cute sight. What am I? So to answer this, go to control and get the if block. After that, go to operators, get this one right here. Doesn't matter that has the 50, we're just gonna delete that over here and win. Back to sensing and right here look for the answer over here. Right under this, we're gonna go to save and this is what the penguin is gonna say. That is, you are right. A fish and for 4 seconds. Okay. This, go back to the events, broadcast, and you want to make a new message. It's going to be name events. All right. After this, you want to go to the when I receive. It's over here. Shut it down, and you want to choose the dance. Photo looks. Put block and control and get the footer block. With that, I'm gonna go scroll down and get the create a clone of myself, which is gonna be the penguin. Then play sound and it's gonna be techno. So after adding the photo block, you wanna put a create a clone myself, and that's gonna make the penguin like create a bunch of clones of himself that you will see once the code is finished. To add a sound, you wanna head to the sounds part over here, add in a choose a new sound, click it, and then look up techno. I like this sound right here. Just gonna click it, and it's right here. So it should be added. So you wanna head back to the code, and it should be right here. So you wanna choose it. Yours gonna be just techno. You wanna choose that one. Make sure it's there. That's gonna add a sound that you will probably hear later. So after that, you want to go to control, and this is going to be for the clone. When it start as a clone, looks, it's going to show, and then motion, go to a random position. That's gonna make him like go crazy and everywhere. You'll see it with the control. the whatever block, drop it down, then I get to the motion. I'm gonna get this turn to the right, change this to 1, and then move 10 steps. Leave it like that. And look for in edge bounce. That's gonna make him like if he touches any of the edges, he's just gonna bounce back and then just keep forward until we stop it. And go to the looks. Choose change color affected by down and just leave it just like that. Once you're done with this last code, I'm gonna head back to the seal and go test it. So hit the full screen button and then the green flag. Let's get the BIOS, come help me. Slide, there's an envelope. Saying I'm telling broad with branches that stretch wide. What am I? Tree, you want to test that? Correct, you gain 3 seeds. Wonderful, we have restored the forest to its natural look. Let's go to the next one. And now here's the penguin. So this is a penguin. You're right, you have gained fish. And you